Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, March 3rd. I'm James Spann. Wet weather is the story today, but the weekend ahead looks nice. And next week, mild, breezy, and somewhat unsettled. Let's go in there and check things out as the day begins. Pretty good trough coming in from the west. That's the water vapor satellite view. And hey, look at that big rain mass pushing into northwest Alabama. That was the radar at 516. A lot of thunder over Mississippi. Now, this is all elevated. There's no surface-based instability today, so no severe weather worries. Starting off the day in the 30s and 40s, Fort Payne 34, Birmingham 44. Many spots will stay in the 40s all day with rain today. We'll say low 50s for Birmingham. Around the nation, coldest air over eastern Canada. Some spots up there down to 30 below zero. But you can see that warmer tongue of air coming up through Texas, west of the state. That's a watch warning map. Winter weather advisories for parts of Virginia, up toward Washington and Baltimore, down into the mountains of North Carolina. Other than that, things are quiet. Convective outlooks. This is day 5, Monday. You can see severe weather risks defined from Texas up to parts of the Great Plains. And on Tuesday, day 6, a severe weather risk west of the state from near San Antonio to Greenville, Mississippi. And, of course, we'll take a look at next week in detail in just a second. But, boy, look at the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. The bullseye centered on Arkansas and some of the adjacent states with 5, almost 6 inches of rain there. And for us, a fairly tight gradient. We figure we'll pick up at least 1/2 inch of rain today, and then the amounts next week kind of up for debate. But here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at noon at 500 millibars. Trough axis just to the west, and yes, it will be wet today. No doubt about that. When does it stop? Well, this is the HRRR. Valid at 5 o'clock, and at that point, it's got the bulk of the rain south of Interstate 20. So rain becoming widespread today, maybe some thunder. No severe weather. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, maybe a little more in spots. Tomorrow should be a different kind of day. The sky becoming mostly sunny. We might see some lingering clouds in the morning. Might be a case of morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. The high will be in the mid-50s. And look at that bomb off the Atlantic coast. Again, that could bring hurricane-force winds to some of the coastal waters. Hey, Saturday, a nice day. Sunny with mid-60s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 65. And Sunday, upper 60s. Bright, sunny weather. Just a beautiful weekend coming up. This is Monday. You can see surface low developed near east of Denver, and there could be a few severe storms over Texas and Oklahoma. We are mild and dry with the high close to 70. And then Tuesday, storms mainly west of the state. Around here, very mild and breezy with maybe mid-70s and a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Wednesday, most of the action stays west of the state, and there could be some flooding problems here. I mean, this pattern's not going to change much. And if this is right, the bulk of the rain stays west. And here's a week from today. And the GFS drifts that upper low down into Mexico, down below the Rio Grande. And it's got a surface low over South Texas. And again, we're relatively dry. And we'll be very mild, highs up in the 70s if this is right, with ridging holding. This is the end of the forecast period. Saturday, March 12th, that trough is lifting out of Mexico and getting closer, and that looks wet and unsettled. That weekend of the 12th and 13th could be kind of wet and stormy. But again, for now, we don't see any severe weather through next week as the main action holds a little west of the state, but that could easily change. It is a very active pattern, and we sure get the idea it's going to be an active spring. That's it. Almost forgot. The anomalies. Above average. This is March 10th through March 16th. And the numbers off the ensemble, you can see still very mild. No sign of the late season cold snap with highs on many days up in the 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.